The Skilled Migration Project has several outputs and therefore has several uses. The outputs have several uses for the rail industry. Some of the data we've collected is across the industry, and it's looking at industry intelligence around recruiting processes, where the skill shortages are, especially with engineering professions, and where those industry bodies have chosen to recruit overseas or recruit skilled migrants. So we've collected a lot of data on those recruitment practices to better inform other members of the industry how to go about that. We are also producing an information kit which will come in the form of a DVD and a web page. And this should be, well, we're hoping that it's going to be a one-stop shop for the rail industry in terms of when they make recruitment decisions around skilled migration. There will be lots of multimedia, lots of information, and should be a very user-friendly product for the industry. Skill shortages in the engineering professions and certain technical occupations is very significant. The rail industry is facing competition domestically for these types of skill sets, and also internationally, because these skill sets are now within a global labour market. So solving this problem is crucial for the rail industry, because it is about linking in and making sure that you've got future labour supply for these mission critical skill sets, especially at a time when the industry is facing renewed interest and also quite large increases in infrastructure expenditure. These skill sets are essential. The Skilled Migration Project has deliberately used as one of its major outputs is an information kit, DVD and web page, to make sure that we've got a one-stop shop on information in terms of helping the industry recruit skilled migrants from overseas. Say a HR manager within the rail industry wants to put a strong argument towards having an overseas recruitment strategy, then the research is there to help them make that argument to their CEO or the people that they need to make that argument to. There's also will be a wealth of information on help, very practical stuff as well about, what you need to do to recruit from overseas, how you need to assist people to migrate to Australia, and what you need to do as an organisation to make them feel welcome and to retain them as a very valuable skilled member of your organisation.